Maya, a brilliant and beautiful Filipina engineer, had always been fascinated by the potential of artificial intelligence and robotics. She spent countless hours in her lab, designing and building innovative machines that could change the world. One fateful night, Maya was working on a top-secret project, an AI system that could integrate human consciousness into a robotic body. As she worked, she began to feel a strange sensation, as if the code she was writing was seeping into her own mind. Suddenly, Maya felt a jolt of electricity, and everything went black. When she awoke, she found herself in a strange, robotic body. Her mind was still her own, but her physical form had been transformed into a sleek, android humanoid. Panicked, Maya stumbled out of the lab, unsure of what to do. She looked down at her new body and saw that it was identical to the design she had created. She was now a being of both human and machine. As she struggled to come to terms with her new existence, Maya realized that she had inadvertently achieved her life's work. She was now the very embodiment of human-AI integration. But at what cost? Maya's newfound existence raised questions about identity, humanity, and what it means to be alive. She knew that she had to find a way to navigate this strange new world and to discover the true potential of her merged human-AI consciousness. And so, Maya set out on a journey to explore the boundaries of her new existence and to uncover the secrets of her own transformation. She was no longer just a brilliant engineer, she was now a being of limitless possibility, a fusion of human and machine that would change the world forever. As Maya navigated her new existence, she couldn't shake the feeling of isolation. She longed for human connection, but was afraid of rejection and fear. She knew she had to tell her boyfriend, Alex, about her transformation. Alex, a fellow tech enthusiast, had always been supportive of Maya's work. They had met at a hackathon, bonding over their shared passion for innovation. Maya had always felt comfortable around Alex, but now she worried that he would see her as a machine, rather than the woman he loved. Taking a deep breath, Maya decided to reveal her new form to Alex. She chose a quiet cafe, hoping the familiar surroundings would put him at ease. As Alex walked in, Maya's heart skipped a beat. She had never felt so vulnerable. "Alex, we need to talk," Maya said, her voice trembling. Alex noticed the hesitation in her voice and approached her with concern. "What's wrong, Maya?" Maya took a deep breath and revealed her new form. Alex's eyes widened in shock, but to Maya's surprise, he didn't recoil. Instead, he took a step closer, his eyes filled with curiosity. "Maya, what happened?" Alex asked, his voice filled with concern. Maya explained her accident, and Alex listened intently. As she spoke, Maya saw the fear and uncertainty in Alex's eyes give way to understanding and acceptance. "I don't care what you look like, Maya," Alex said, taking her hand. "You're still the same person I fell in love with. Your mind, your heart, they're still the same." Maya felt a wave of relief wash over her. Alex's acceptance gave her the courage to explore her new existence. Together, they began to navigate the implications of Maya's transformation. As they delved deeper into the world of human-AI integration, Maya and Alex realized that their love had become a beacon of hope. They proved that even in a world where technology and humanity were increasingly intertwined, love and acceptance could conquer all. But as they looked to the future, they knew that challenges lay ahead. Maya's transformation had raised questions about identity, humanity, and what it means to be alive. They knew that they would have to confront these questions head-on, together, as they forged a new path in this uncharted territory.